Alright guys, so let's have a look at reactivity and native elements. Essentially, we're looking at how easy it is for an element to appear in nature on its own, so not combined with something else in a compound. Now, reactivity is the ease that an element will combine with another. So if something is super reactive, it will combine very easily. And if we have a look at our periodic table, you've got this sort of shape over here, but then you've got these two groups here, groups 1 and 2, they are super reactive and almost never, well, no, they're never found in nature just on their own. They're always combined with something else. You don't really get native elements which exist on their own until you move further across that way. Alright, so what is a native element? Basically, it's an element that can occur in nature uncombined. And, this is important here, form distinct mineral structures. Okay, so you'll notice, for example, oxygen. Oxygen can exist in nature on its own, but it does not form a mineral structure in the earth. So let's have a look at what we've got. We've got antimony. That's what it was earlier. Okay, so let's see how my memory of all the symbols is. So we've got aluminium, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, carbon, cadmium, chromium, copper, gold, insomethingamium, iron, iridium, lead, mercury, nickel, osmium, palladium, platinum, rhenium, rhodium, selenium, silver, silicon, sulfur, tantium, tellurium, tin, not tin, vanadium, and zinc. Those are your native elements. It says example, but it should say all of the native elements. Basically, these are elements that are either unreactive and inert, so that's where you've got your gold, your platinum, your lead, etc., or they're able to form stable networks within itself, and that's where carbon comes in, arsenic, I believe, and a couple of others. So the more reactive an element is, the less likely is that it will be a native element, which is why you do not have any from groups 1 or 2 or 7. They're just not there. So here are some examples. This is what copper looks like as a native element. This is what sulfur looks like as a native element. That's pretty rad. And over here is arsenic as a native element. And yeah, I hope that made sense. It wasn't too much there. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.